Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Cloudflare login for DNS management, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Cloudflare website. Log into your Cloudflare account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard displaying your domains. Select the domain for which you need to manage DNS settings. On the left-hand side, find and click on the DNS tab. This will open the DNS management page for your selected domain. If you haven't authorized a login for this feature, you'll need to do so. Look for a prompt or a banner indicating that authorization is required. Click on the provided link or button to start the authorization process. You may be asked to confirm your email or phone number for security purposes. Check your email or phone for a verification code to proceed. Enter the verification code in the designated field. Once verified, you will be redirected back to the DNS management page. At this point, you should now have the necessary authorization. Review your DNS settings carefully to ensure they meet your needs. Make any necessary changes or additions to your DNS records. Finally, click on the Save button to apply any updates. Your DNS settings are now successfully managed through Cloudflare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.